Hello and welcome. It is a November afternoon. We are on the farm, the chicken farm that we've been at for the past few months. And today is a special day. We're finally moving all the black chickens onto a different run so they can start laying eggs that can properly be sold. Our plan, bear with me, is to basically lead them there, not having to catch them, not having to wait till nightfall, literally lead them with a bucket and some food. So we'll see how that goes. Are you excited for our ventures today of moving chickens?
I think it's going to be hysterical. Piper.
It will be, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Piper.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Ow, that tail hurts. Oh, whiplash. Ow.
So what do you think of this revolutionary idea, Adrian, to move chickens?
You're completely bonkers.
That's the way we roll. Let's fill some buckets up then.
Buckets filling time.
Bucket.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Okay, right.
Let's go!
Calm down.
This is why I think it's going to be so easy, just because of this. Here they come! This could be a lot easier than we thought.
Come on.
Come on everybody! Black chickens only, please. No, don't run back, run this way. Look, food. Why are they running away? Come on then. That could be good.
Don't go too fast. Can I grab a bit of food? Come on, girls.
What's going on, Jerry?
It's not going very well, is it?
Good? Yeah, great plan this was, wasn't it, guys?
You know, as revolutions go.
The rest are just
They've all run away, they've gone in the other direction. It was going so well. We'll go down and try again, I think. The donkey, Jerry, and the horse, Elliot, are having a great time lolling at what's going on. Anybody else want to come and join? Hey, come on. Come on. Here we go. Good. So we have 3 down there. Oh no, there's some more. Good, good.
Ooh.
But out of how many is it? 700 or something?
Yeah, you've got 6 there.
Come on, girls. You're all the way down there. So, Mum, your plan.
It's not going well, is it?
Jerry's having the best time
He's having a right little chuckle, isn't he? Are you? So it's not going as well as we thought. Well, as well as Mum thought. It was Mum's idea. Wasn't it, Mum?
Like how I get the blame.
Fail. Fail. Fail.